So we're going to have a look at one of the writing activities that is inside your writing pack. So if you head over to the school website, choose Key Information and Home Learning. Within that section you can choose Home Learning Packs, and the activity we're looking at today comes in the writing pack. This is a task aimed at Key Stage 2, and this is the picture that we're going to use today. It includes lots of different superheroes. Just take a minute to have a look at what's going on in this picture. Everyone needs a vacation every now and then. Superheroes are no different. I love this idea of what all the superheroes get up to when they're not saving the world. Watching the Hulk play hopscotch using Thor's hammer, I think that's a fantastic idea, whilst all the other superheroes are watching and cheering at the side. Some questions for you to have a think about whilst you're looking at this picture. If you could go anywhere on holiday, where would it be? Who would you take with you? Which of the superheroes would you most like to have on holiday with you? What activities or sports do you think each of the characters would be good at? Which of the characters would you most like to be? Why? This is a good time to pause this video, and then you can make some notes about your answers to those questions. Thinking about that picture, I've got a sentence challenge for you. This is all about punctuation, and the punctuation we're thinking about is inverted commas, or you might know them as speech marks. Did we have to bring him along? Spider-Man muttered under his breath. He always breaks things. We need to start by deciding which words does Spider-Man say, and which words tell us about how Spider-Man says it. Did we have to bring him along? He always breaks things. These are the words that Spider-Man says. The first set of inverted commas come before Spider-Man starts to speak. Then we need another set after the first sentence that Spider-Man says. A third set come when Spider-Man starts to speak again, and a fourth set come when Spider-Man finishes talking to show the end of the sentence. These come after the full stop at the end. Did you manage to find all of the missing punctuation? Next, I've got a sick sentence. This sentence is sick, it needs our help. Hulk had big arms and a big chest. There's a weak word in this sentence and it's used twice. The word big. It doesn't help me to imagine what his arms and chest are like. I'm going to change the word big for some synonyms. See if you can come up with a list of other words that mean big. I thought of 5 synonyms for big. I've come up with large, great, huge, enormous, immense. I'm going to try adding these words to the sentence to see how they change the sentence. So, Hulk had big arms and a big chest could become Hulk had huge arms and a big chest. Hulk had huge arms and a large chest. Hulk had huge arms and an enormous chest. Hulk had great arms and a big chest. I can keep experimenting until I've got the sentence that I want. I've decided to go for Hulk had large arms and a huge chest. See what sentence you can make. So we've practiced adding speech marks and we've practiced changing words for synonyms. These are 2 skills you're going to use in your writing today. So back to our picture. Have a good look at it. You've got 2 different writing tasks to choose from. Option 1. Can you draw or describe one of the superheroes doing an activity that you like doing? Option 2. Can you write a diary or story in the first person from the perspective of one of the characters? You could describe where you go on vacation and what activities you do. Does it always go to plan? Do you always get on with your fellow superheroes? Whichever challenge you choose, remember we're trying to include some inverted commas for speech and synonyms, different words that mean the same thing. Have a go and share the work you do at home.